Hi folks, in this particular video we will be going to discuss about uh, how to measure the codes in Big O. Okay, so Big O means nothing but not Big O, okay, no, okay, not Big Oswald, okay, it's a Big O notation. Like how it is one of the way in the previous video we discussed like how the algorithm is efficient. We will be going to discuss how we can measure the codes by using certain parameters, how we can this will help out to measure how our code is efficient with respect to that basically. Okay, hi, my name is Akash folks. I am a software engineer and data scientist in Nunes Infotech. So in this particular video we will be going to discuss about we will be going to discuss about how to measure the codes in Big O with respect to any scripts it may be. Okay, so any programming language, right, you will be declaring, you will be assigning some value, right, you will be using for checking the condition, you will be using the if statement. Then you will be discussing about for loops, you will be having multiple nested loops, and you will be having multiple counter loops, right, you will be declaring one variable, you will be declaring one looping constructs, and inside that you will be incrementing that particular variable actually, right. So that is a certain concept, key concepts we will be going to discuss about it, how we will be encounter it, what are the certain methods that we wanted to discuss in this particular video. We'll be going to discuss about the rules basically. So let us discuss about that first, and let me know folks, how do you like this particular kind of a setup. Do you like this setup? Let me know in a comment down below, so I can have this kind of a setup in next video. Throughout this setup I will be looking at it, and I will be putting this as a setup so that it will help us for the nice representation for any content to push out of it, and you will be liking the particular video basically. Okay, so let not waste the time basically folks for that basically. Okay, so understand, there is a rule number one. Understand rule number one, what it tells is basically any assignment rule, okay, any assignment, any if statements are executed only once. Okay, I will be not writing the things folks. Okay, understand that thing, and keep in the notes, keep a separate notes for you folks. Understand what how to do it. Okay, I will be not writing, but carefully watch this particular video with clear understanding. Okay, so what I'm telling, the rule number one, any assignment statements and if statements are executed only once, regardless what is, no matter what is the size of a problem it is. Okay, what kind of a operation it will be going to take? Big O of 1. Okay, big O of 1. Understood? So this is amount of operation it will be going to take. Okay, rule number 2, understand, be concentrated and be focused folks. So what I'm talking about it, rule number 5, rule number 2, what it will be going to talk about it, it is only talking about simple for loops. Okay, any simple for loops you take, how much time of complexity will be, how you will be iterating 0 to n. So n time complexity. So what will be the complexity folks? Pause this video and tell me in the tell and note it down in your notes folks, and pause this video and answer that. Okay, so you will get the understanding. So now let's focus on this particular operation. Okay, any for loop, it is talking about for loop. Any for loop, if you take, it will be iterating from 0 to n, right? So what you understood in the mind, N time complexity, Big O is there, N time complexity, Big O of N, right? This is very simple, right, folks? Alright, so rule number 3. Now, rule number 3, what it will be going to talk about is nested loop. As I told in the previously itself, before coming to this particular topic I already told you. This is a nested for loop, right? So, as I have taught you in previous video, n into n complexity will be big O n square, right? You are iterating rows, you are iterating columns, so n into n, n square complexity, right? So this is a particular thing you have to understand. This will be big O of n square, right? Big O of n square, right? I am writing into, but it is an n square. Okay. Rule number 4, as I told you, it is a counter assignment, folks. Counter assignment controlling parameter, which is divided into the two of each step. Let's say you are writing count equal to 1 and it got incremented count plus plus, or count equal to count plus 1. So in that case, what you will be going to tell that is uh, that type of a problems is having a log n, like exponential, it will be going to grow. Let's say you are taking the Fibonacci series, you are iterating again and again, right? Such kind of counter, what will be say it is a countering parameter, like unless and until condition is not satisfied, it will be going to controlling that parameter and again. So such type of complexity will be called telling that, and that type of a complexity will be having a big O of log n. Okay, understood? Okay, so why I am stressing so much on the time complexity, space complexity, folks? This space and time complexity, you will be applying these certain rules into a lead code problems, whatever the problems. Okay, I also face these problems to understand this. When I was doing the graduation, any of the things, folks, this was very superficial level. We are not able to understand. By studying, and I am studying, and majority I'm taking a notes out of it, and I'm sharing the learnings for it. Okay, so this is a kind of a things. Rule number 4 we have understood. Rule number 5, what it says that when you are dealing with multiple kind of statements, tell me in the comment down below, folks, multiple statements, what do you understand? Pause this video and write it down in a particular notes to fair understanding what you think about it. Okay, multiple statements, if you consider any functions, right, you will be having a if. First thing, apply it once again. Okay, as I told you, up to 4 rules, what it will be: let maybe a variable, maybe a if conditions, maybe a for loop, nested for loop, there will be a Fibonacci of number kind of a problems it can have, right? So you understood, right? So such kind of a problems you will have, what you have to do is you have to just add the type of complexities. You have to add the complexities. Add of complexity means, let's suppose it is a simple if statement. Simple if statement will be taking the complexity of what? What complexity will be going to take? Big O of 1. Let's say you encounter some for loop, right? Big O of n, right? Let's say you encounter nested for loops, big O of n square, right? You will be adding and you will be writing that, right? So this is a kind of a thing which I wanted to discuss with you, folks. This is very crucial to understand. So let me know in comment down below which part you didn't understood, so we can take, I will re-record this video, and once again I will be coming in the live. So let me know. We will be having a Saturday Sunday live sessions as well. So if you are particularly facing the issues, let me know, comment down below, so we can have one live streaming video basically. All right, folks, so this was about the how you will be measuring the codes. Okay, in this next video we will be taking one functions and we will be applying this particular rules, and I will be explaining you in the depth how in the practice we can take forward this particular thing. Alright folks, like how we can apply the time complexities into one problem so that you will understand how you are measuring the codes basically. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this video folks. Do like, share and subscribe to this channel folks if you want more relevant content basically. Okay, I have seen in the YouTube channel and analytics folks, you are watching this video but you are not subscribing to this channel. Okay, so keep I have shared like previous one particular views the things is getting, but no one is subscribing. 700 people are watching this particular video but no one is subscribing to this particular channel. Do do subscribe to this channel folks, and keep posting the valuable content for you. Okay, that's it about this video folks. I hope you enjoyed this particular video, you understood clear understanding about how measure the codes in Big O basically. That's it about this video folks. We will meet you in the next video.